Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a beat. Today I'm going to be making a beat titled how to make Baixa trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Now my favorite tempo is 130 bpm. I'm going to be making Baixa trap beat today. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. Let's get straight into my FL Studio and start making the Baixa trap beat now. Let's go. I'm going to just put my mouse here on my screen, right click and just press open. Now my FL Studio is loading. Very soon my FL Studio open. Now my FL Studio has loaded and it has opened. This is it on my screen. As you can see, this is my FL Studio that has opened. This is it, my channel rack, my playlist, my mixer here. Now I'm going to click on add and click on citrus. Then I'm going to left click and hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheels up to channel 5. Then I'm going to click on this icon and click on preset. Then I'm going to pick this locking chord E grand. This is it. I'm going to use one for the Baixa trap beats now. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This is it. Now I'm going to left click and hold the left click button and turn it to the left and press Ctrl and B. Now I've copied right to bars number 8. I'm going to click here on add and pick another plugin called Harmless. Then I'm going to left click and hold it and turn the mouse up to channel 6. I'll click on this icon and press preset. Then I'm going to pick this preset called Tension. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm going to click on this tension and click on this icon, click on preset and pick another one again because the other one I've picked is not sounding very good. Now I'm going to pick this one called ZX bars 1 FG. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Good, this one is sounding very good. I'm going to use one with the bass melody. Then on my first melody here, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. Then on slot 2 here, I'm going to reduce the mix level to mix level 3%. Then I'm going to click here and add a fruity reverb too. Here I'm mixing my beat now. Slot 3. I'm going to reduce the mix level to mix level 4. I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to click here on fruity balance. Then on this second mixer, I'm going to click on this slot 1 and click on fruity parametric EQ2. Then on this slot 2, I'm going to click on slot 2 and click on fruity multiband compressor. I'm mixing my melody now. Then on my hi-hat here, I'm going to right click and press piano roll to start programming my hi-hat. This is how it sounds. Then I'm going to highlight this to the left and press Ctrl and B to bars number 8. Then I'm going to turn it up. On slot 1, I'm going to click here and press sound womanizer. Then here on mix 4 on my channel rack, which is here like this, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm programming my snare now. After each bar, I'm dropping my snare. This is bar number 1, bar number 2, bar number 3, bar number 4, bar number 5, bar number 6, bar number 7, bar number 8. As you can see, I've dropped the last bar on bar number 8, which I started at bar number 1. So I'm going to go now to my kick. I'm going to pick my kick, which is here. I will drop it on mix 1 on my channel rack. This is mix 1. If you look on my mixer here, this is channel 1, which the channel 1 have been routed right up to, as you can see, right up to 85, 86, up to 125 on my mixer. Now, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I will start programming my kick now. Kick now. Then on my mix one on my channel rack, I'm going to click on my kick and click on this icon and boost it right up. Kick right up. Then on my mix one here, I'm going to swap left and right like this. Like this. I'm going to reverse the polarities by clicking here. By swapping left and right, I'm going to click here where my cursor is on the screen here. Then to reverse the polarities is here. Now this is my playlist. I'll arrange my beat now by putting my cursor here where I've written part 1. Now right click and just press split by channel. Now I'm going to click here. I'm going to arrange my beat now. I'll just click on the play button, click on my hi-hat and drop it into my playlist. This is the easy way. Click on my snare and drop it on my snare and drop it on my playlist. Click on my E-gram, first piano and drop it into my playlist. Click on my second melody and drop it to my playlist. Now I'm going to left click and hold it and turn it to the left and press Ctrl B to copy it to make it longer to create space and intro and outro. press Ctrl. I highlight it again. I'm going to press Ctrl B again to make it longer again. This is how you arrange your beats. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'm going to remove the snare here. Then on the first melody here, I'm going to right click and press and create, and just press this icon, create automation clip. On the second melody, I'm going to right click and just create automation clip. That's it. Then I'm going to spice it up. At the end of my intro, I'm going to put an hi-hat here. Then put the hi-hat here and put it here like this. Now I've finished making my Baixa trap beat. After it finish, I'm going to let us listen to the full Baixa trap beat from the start to the end. Now, thank you for watching how to make a Baixa trap beat. Let's get from the start. Let's listen the Baixa trap beat now from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in another video. Now I'm going to bring another video next time. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.